Higglesy Gaijin, Jamaican J Vlogger. Let's go. Higglesy Gaijin, Jamaican J Vlogger. Alright. I'm Jamaican. Yeah. Anyways, right. So, all of my videos have been catered towards the international audience. If you don't know by now, I'm Jamaican. And so I'm going to teach you a few things to say in Jamaican. But we're going to marry it with the Japanese language and the American English, because them three things there. We know. Nobody not going to understand half of what I'm going to say. Because I'm going to talk like I'm a yard in Jamaica. I'm going to talk like how I would talk when I'm at home to my brethren. Right? Yeah, Jamaica speaks English clearly, because I teach English. But we also have a language that's called Patois. It's a Creole, Jamaican Creole. It's very passionate language. A language of love. Not really. Right, guys, I'll check it out. Okay, so I'm going to teach you a few phrases. So, good morning. We also say good morning in Jamaica. We're civilized people. But if you're more familiar with people, say, morning, Master Joe. Or morning, sir. You know? Or morning. You know? Simple as that. Or morning. Hello. Konnichiwa. Yo, here, the simple head nod. Watch again in slow motion. Goodbye or see you later. We say, yo, later's in a youth, or little more, Bridget, right? In the lights, in the morrows, which means see you tomorrow. Yeah, that's basically it. Also, if we ask, do you understand Wakarimasu? That's Japanese. Or if you're more familiar, Wakaru. Jamaican, say, you have several ways to express this depending on the level of familiarity. You can say, you get me? You see me? You understand? You see me I say? You see me I say? It makes sense? You get me? Yeah. So, also terms of exclamation, I'll leave two for you. Just two today. Japan they say, yeah. And Jamaica will say, backside. Or, rotted. That's it. Bye. See you next time. Big up on yourself and click that subscribe button and all them something there. Yeah. Jamaica, me say, yeah. See you next time. Till next time. Sooner or later, in the lights. Little more. Johnny, Jamata. Little more people. Bless upon yourself. Jamaica, every time.